Next, my storybook. Number 1. Read a 10-sentence text in which you introduce yourself. I must include name, age, the personality traits, and activity you like and activity you dislike, location, and favorite book. My name is Julia Paula Fajardo Morelos. I am 20 years old. I am very sociable, very sincere, and a little sentimental. I like to go for a walk and see new places. I don't like to play soccer. I live in Apartado, Antioquia. And my favorite book is Rich Dad, Father Poor, Robert. Question number 2. Read a 10-sentence description of your favorite celebration or holiday. Excuse me. It must include name of the celebration, activities you do, food you eat, clothes you wear. My favorite celebration is my birthday, since I don't go to parties normally and home they make me a rice with chicken and they gave me a cake and my boyfriend invited me to dinner in case me a title and that day I wear a dress or either a pants and a blouse. Include at 10:30 p.m. We are back. Question number 3. Read a 10-sentence description of household. Cross your door in your house. Use a verb of frequency, always, sometimes, never, rarely, often. Example: I usually wash the dishes. I always cook. Sometimes I wash the dishes. I often sweep. I always make the bed. I fix the clothes. I wash every day. I really move. Sometimes I shake the house. Sometimes I wash the bathroom. I clean the stove and refrigerator. Question number 4. Read a 10-sentence list of TV, show or movie or music or book you are watching, listening or reading currently. The last 2 sentences most present with what you are always down at 7 a.m. and at 7 p.m. Examples: currently I am reading the book of Secret Big Oceans. I am always having breakfast at 7 a.m. I read a book called Reservations. It deals with conjugate communication and from parents to children. I listen to many songs, including Blinding Lights, Die for You, In Your Eyes, I Feel It Coming, and many more. I watch romance movies like After. At 7 a.m., I am talking about and at 7 p.m., I am doing homework. Question number 5. Read a 10-sentence description of clothes that you must wear according to 4 sections on the warm weather in different regions of your country. Example: I must wear a scarf in winter. I must wear shorts when I travel to the Caribbean coast. When I go to Córdoba, I must wear comfortable clothes, such as shorts and a simple blouse. And the white it is on all the coast. Unless it is winter, you can wear more covered clothes. In Bogotá, you should wrap everything up with long pants, diverse scarves, and jackets. Imagine it is cold but warm. You can wear normal clothes. In fact, you can wear whatever you want. Okay, thank you so much.